evening, everyone. This is the work of Group Letter B, and we're going to proceed to our yell.
1, 2, 3, go! Diada pares, Aniras, Aniris, Please, Amaris, we are Diada pares.
So, again, good evening, everyone. And we're going to proceed to our presentation about this project. Let's first hear our first speaker.
Pause before you purchase. Every click matters. Para po sa amin, kailangan nyo pong pag-isipan bago kayong bumili sa online or sa mga cellphones po, lalo na po sa mga hindi ko paniwala ng mga sites. Kailangan natin mag-isip muna kung kailangan ba natin or kung gusto lang talaga natin siyang bilhin. Be practical lang.
Katulad ng TikTok shop. Before you order in online shop like TikTok, we should be sure that this online shop was true and can be trusted. We can check the feedback or something.
Our tagline, post before you purchase, everything matters. Mas mahirap about sa scamming din. Kasi maraming Pilipinong mahihirap. Lalo na pag na-scam sila, mas mahirap, mag-produce ulit ng pera. Lalo na maraming, Pilipino walang trabaho na nangangailangan ng pera. Kahit tayo, mas i-improve natin na mas mag-hard work pa para magkaroon ng pambili sa pang-araw-araw.
These visual aids represent our ideas about our awareness on online scams in the market. In our time today, we all need to consider being a critical thinker when it comes to buying products online.
So, this tagline emphasizes not just for the scam, but to really think about kung need mo ba talaga yung i-order mo or you just want it. So, ini-encourage natin ang lahat na mag-save ng pera. Kung kailangan mo talaga yung bagay na yun, sige, go on and order it. But if you don't really need it, then why buy it? That's all of the ideas that we have gathered, and that's all. Thank you.